Hey YouTubers, Chris from Gravy here. Today I wanted to go over emails with your Shopify store and focus specifically on how important your cart abandonment emails can be to your business. I just want to show you something real quick and saw this nice notification on Shopify's dashboard. So they give you lots of stats, when you log in, but this one particularly, I think you should pay attention to. The great thing about Shopify is they have all these other stores online, and they can give you benchmarks for how well you're doing. And if you look here, you'll see in the last 30 days, 21% of my abandoned checkout recovery emails were successful, and the average recovery rate is 7%. So that kind of metric is one of the reasons why I like Shopify. It shows, how you're doing relative to the average store. And this is, I've basically got 3 times the average rate of cart recovery, and I'll show you how I did it. And it's pretty straightforward. It's only a couple of emails. In fact, it's 4. Some people recommend 3, some people recommend up to 5, and I've tested various ideas. And I'll just show you how I do it. So I do it with one email, which is the native recovery email that Shopify provides for you. And I highly recommend you use that, and I'll show you why. They have a nice template, and it's very simple. And so the standard template is simply a reminder. It's nothing more than that. It's like, hey, you left some stuff in your cart, click here and go get them. And it also nicely shows you, or shows the shopper, what the items were, and it shows pictures of them. So this is visual, it's simple, and it's just a reminder, very simple subject line. Hey, we saved your cart, and then the URL, and click here to go to the cart. There's nothing more to it. So that's one of 4 emails that I send, and you can, adjust when this is sent, and you can go and modify the HTML or all the details of this and pre-populate it with your Shopify logo, other things you can do here. But I went very basic. So, and you find this in the notifications area. It's under settings, notifications in Shopify. And again, it's a pretty straightforward setting, and there's nothing much to it. So just know that it's there, and you should definitely be taking advantage of it. The other thing to say is about this is, you don't need to use just Shopify. You really should be using an email provider, and I use MailChimp. And I'll show you how I connect MailChimp to Shopify. It's quite simple. There's an free app called ShopSync, and all it does is it connects MailChimp to Shopify. Now, Shopify and MailChimp kind of went their separate ways a couple months ago. For whatever reason, I think MailChimp was competing in some respects with Shopify. Anyway, long story short is there used to be a MailChimp app on Shopify, now there isn't, so now you got to use ShopSync. So just use that. It's super straightforward. You just sync your account. And I've created an abandoned cart series of 3 emails. So the first email, I've set it to an hour after the abandoned cart. And then I've got 3 more emails that go after that. And so I'll show you here. So basically I have one after 1 hour, the next one after 10 hours, the next one, the third one after a day, like 24 hours, and then the last one is 3 days later. Anywhere within that area, I mean, it's good not to wait too long before sending these emails. So that's why, within 24 hours, you've got 3 emails from me. Sorry, but it works. And then the day 3 is like just another one, just if you haven't seen the other ones, here they are. So setting up these emails, again, in MailChimp is pretty straightforward, and you can do various things with these emails, but you'll see the open rates are pretty high. In fact, over 50% these days with email is very high. And the click-through rates, they go down, but certainly they are higher than average. So anything over 10% click-through is pretty awesome, and anything over 50% is solid for opens. So again, these are three emails. So this is actually my second, third, and fourth email that go out, because I've already got a Shopify email that goes out first. Actually, this goes out 6 hours, not 10 hours after the first one. So it's 1 hour, 6 hours, 1 day, 3 days. So you'll see, the click-throughs slowly die off. However, these are pretty basic emails, and the first one is basically, yeah, again, another reminder. Hey, it's been, we've saved the cart. It's here if you need us, but there's still no offer. And I've tried right off the bat giving away, 5%, giving away $100, giving away offers, and I've found that it's actually best to wait. Most people just need a reminder, and they will make a decision. And most people don't need an offer, in fact. But if you waited 3 days and they still haven't done anything, this is the fourth email. The first 3 emails, if they weren't effective, then it's time to give them something. But don't give away too much. I found giving away $100 for me didn't work, but $50 was actually better. It seems like if you give away too much, you devalue your product. So this is my series, 4 emails, all within 3 days, starting 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours, and then 3 days. And you will see results. I have 3 times the average recovery rate for my emails, and it's working for me. But I've done a lot of testing, so definitely set up workflow emails. And again, you'll see that these emails are pretty basic, and there's not much more than, just, hey, we saved your cart. You can see that there's there's not much magic to them, other than just a reminder, and just staying on top of them. So yeah, I hope that's helpful, and I highly encourage you to spend time setting up a basic series of at least 3 emails, up to 5 emails, and test different offers with coupons on the very last one. And you'll definitely grow your revenue. I'd say you can recapture 5 to 10% of revenue pretty easily with a good cart recovery series. Hope this helps. Please like and subscribe if it's helpful for you, and comment below if you have any other questions or requests for videos. Thanks.